This video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Roblox inventory not loading. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your server status by going to status.roblox.com. Roblox servers might be down or under maintenance. Check the official status page first. The second thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Simply make sure that your internet connection is stable. Try restarting your router or switching networks. Also, clear your browser or app cache. Outdated or corrupted cache can prevent your inventory from loading. Clear cache and try again. If that is not the case, some browsers or devices may have compatibility issues. Simply go ahead and try another one. The other thing you want to do is disable any kind of browser extensions if you have it turned on. Check your date and time settings and make it automatic, and log out and log back in. If it still doesn't work, then you might need to simply update your application or even check privacy settings. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.